What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reese, and if it's your first time, welcome in general. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be trying some tattoo eyebrows. I got these from a company and they're called EnticingExpressions, and I'll definitely link them down below. They were kind enough to send me these to try out, and this is what they look like. So they look super realistic, and I really don't have much brows, so I figured why not, why not try it out? So pretty much what these are is like the exact same thing as the tattoos that you would wear as a kid. So you apply it with water. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out one pair of brows. You're gonna need some water and then like a towel or something. It has the plastic, that you gotta take off. And so the sticky part is on this side. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. Seems like my eyebrow is longer. Dang, these mugs kind of short. Look it. But I'm gonna put it at the front. And then I guess my tail will just have to finish it. So I'm going to take off this plastic, just like a kitty tattoo. I'm trying to show y'all. So there's this plastic, and take it off, and this is what it looks like. So it looks super natural, but it just seems kind of short. I'm gonna place this where I think it, oh, it's very sticky. I hope this tail lines up with mine. So I'm gonna place it like that. Then I'm gonna get the water and then apply it on. Water. Looks like it's already lifting. Okay, so I guess it's on, and this is what it looks like. Let me dry this. Oh my gosh, it's so shiny. Okay, let me try the other brow. Front. So like right there, and then I want the tail to be in line with my tail. So like that. And then seems like it's already sliding off. So that one looks a little bit better. But that gave me a super arch. Alright y'all. So this is what they look like. As you can see, they're still shiny, but look at the way the hair looks. So that definitely does look like eyebrow hair. You can see like some of the shininess and kind of like how a sticker looks if it were to peel, like that clear stuff. So maybe next time I should cut. And I was thinking about doing this, but I'm like, let me just try it how they come. But I feel like I would cut even closer to the hairs so there's not that shininess under there. I heard somebody say that the shininess on the brow will go away. So I'm gonna wait and come back in like 20 minutes and see if the shininess goes away. I'm gonna try one on my hand and see how it looks. So you see that shiny part just messes up the whole vibe. But like, the hair actually looks real. Straight on, you see the glare from the light. Super shiny. But like that looks fire. Alright, so I wanted to come back in natural lighting so that you could see it without the glare of the ring light. Y'all, it looks hella like not natural. So you can pretty much see, like, man, I wish it worked because that looks dope, the hairs and stuff. But like, you can see all the sticky stuff. And yeah, it looks like the kitty tattoos we used to use. Now from some angles it looks okay, but all in all, I think that it would however work if you have no hair on your face. But if you already have eyebrows, even if it's just a little bit, I don't think this will work. So again, this is how it looks on my hand. If you have hair on your face, on your eyebrows, it's not gonna work that well. But then again, try it for yourself. You actually never know, it might just work for you. This was fun to try out. Give it a try, let me know what you think, or if you have tried it, comment down below, did it work for you? There are different shapes and colors and stuff. There's still that shininess, just kind of ruins it for me. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this and hope I didn't make a fool out of myself, but I will see you guys in the next one.